Good morning, dear children. We are going to learn about numbers. That is natural number, whole number and integers. Natural numbers are counting numbers. Natural numbers starts from 1 and increase 1 by 1. Whole numbers starts from 0 and increase 1 by 1. When you are going to add 0 to the natural numbers, it becomes whole number. Integers are a collection of natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. We denote this collection by Z. Negative integers are represented on the number line to the left of 0 and positive integers to the right of 0. Every integer on this number line is placed in an increasing order from left to right. When you move towards the right side, the value increases. When you move towards the left side, the value decreases. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Dear children, when you add a positive integer with another positive integer, the answer is positive. For example, plus 3 added to plus 4 gives plus 7. When you add two or more negative numbers, add all the numbers and put a minus sign in front of the number. For example, minus 2 added to minus 5 gives minus 7. Here minus 2 is a negative number, minus 5 is a negative number. You have to add these two numbers and you have to put a minus sign in front of the number. Next, when a negative number is added with a positive number, you have to subtract and the answer takes the greater number sign. For example, plus 4 added to minus 2 is equal to plus 2. 4 is a positive number, 2 is a negative number. When you add these two, you have to subtract. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Here 4 is bigger, so the answer is positive. In the next example, plus 3 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 3. Here 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 6 is the greater number, its sign is negative, so the answer is negative. Properties of integers under addition: closure property, commutative property, associative property, additive identity, additive inverse. Now let us discuss all these properties one by one. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 is also an integer. Commutative property. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. The order in which we add two integers does not matter. 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 1. Associative property. For any three integers a, b and c, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Regrouping of integers does not change the value of the sum. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4. Additive identity. For any integer a plus 0 is equal to a, which is equal to 0 plus a. 0 is called the additive identity with respect to addition. For example, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Additive inverse. For any integer a, minus a is the additive inverse. For example, minus 2 is a number, its additive inverse 2. When you add minus 2 plus 2, the answer is 0. Exercise 1.1. Fill in the blanks. First sum. Minus 30 plus dash is equal to 60. Minus 30 added to 90 gives 60. When you are going to add a negative number with a positive number, you have to subtract. But the answer takes the greater number sign. So here 90 is greater, so 90 minus 30 gives 60. Minus second sum. Minus 5 plus dash is equal to minus 100. Minus 5 plus minus 95 is equal to minus 100. Here both are negative. Two or more negative numbers means you have to add and put your minus sign in front of the number. Minus 5, minus 95, add these two, you will get minus 100. If you want, check the rough work. Minus 52 plus minus 52 is equal to dash. minus 52 plus minus 52 is equal to minus 104. Here both are negative. What you have to do is add these two numbers and put a minus sign in front of the number. So 52 plus 52 will be 104. So both are negative. So it is minus 104. Dash plus minus 22 equal to 0. 22 plus minus 22 is equal to 0. One positive, one negative, subtract. The answer takes the greater number sign. 22 plus minus 22 is equal to 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next, minus 3 plus minus 12 plus minus 77 is equal to dash plus within bracket minus 12 plus minus 77. The answer is minus 3. Based on the associative property, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Tenmalar appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. In paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly, and in paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. Here it is given that the score for each incorrect question is equal to minus 1. Therefore, for 25 incorrect questions, it will be equal to 25 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 25. Score for 13 incorrect questions is equal to 13 into minus 1, which will be equal to minus 13. Therefore, the total reduction of marks will be equal to minus 25 plus minus 13. Here 25 is negative and 13 is also negative. Two negative numbers means you have to add and put a minus sign in front of the number. Therefore, the answer is minus 38. In a quiz competition, Team A scored plus 30, minus 20 and 0. And Team B scored minus 20, 0 and plus 30 in 3 successive rounds. Which team will win? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Here the total score of Team A will be equal to 30 plus minus 20 plus 0, which will be equal to 10. Similarly, total score of Team B will be equal to minus 20 plus 0 plus 30. Again the answer is equal to 10. Here score of Team A is equal to score of Team B. Yes, we can add integers in any order. As we have discussed earlier, by using associative property of integers under addition, both the answers will be equal. Find 5 pairs of integers that add up to 2. There are many solutions for this problem. Let us have 5 pairs now. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 2. Minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. If one number is positive, another one is negative means subtract. The answer takes the greater number sign.